Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss this problem. So let's begin the observation part. So this problem is quite easy. You just have to use the basic exponential laws here. Okay, I hope you know that. If you're not, we will discuss in this problem. So let's begin the solution part. So first of all, if we see, we have this expression that we have to minimize, or you can say reduce. Okay, so first of all, this term is going to be what? Root 729. That we know that is nothing but 27. Is it or not? Yes, sir. Now next, this is going to be what? This is 9 is power 1. That is 1 by 9. That we know. Okay, next if you observe, we have 27 raised to power minus 4 by 3. That can be written as 3 raised to power 3 whole raised to power minus 4 by 3 here. Okay, so let's note it down. The after writing the terms, you will get 27, this and this that we discussed. Now if you observe further, this is going to be what? This is going to be 1 by 3 square. Is it or not? Yes. Now here this 3 is going to be cancelled out with this one. So you will have the 3 raised power minus 4. That is nothing but 1 by 3 raised power 4. Is it or not? Yes. So replace it and we will have this term. So if you observe here, we have 1 by 3 raised power 6. Okay. And this is cube root. This is what? Cube root. So which term will come out? That is 1 by 3 square only. Okay, so here we will have 1 by 3 square. That is nothing but 9. So 9 is cancelled with this one and you will get 3. That is 4th root of 3. That is equivalent to 3 raised power 1 by 4 here. That is, we just write it down here. Now 1 by 3 can be written as 3 raised power minus 1 that we just seen here. Now if you replace, what will happen? This is going to be the log 3 raised power minus 1 into 3 raised power 1 by 4. Is it? Yes. That means here we will apply the property of the log. This power will come outside, that is minus of log 3. This is the base 3 here and we have 3 raised power 1 by 4. Okay, so look at here. Now afterwards we know again the same property of the log, that is something in the power, it will come outside. We will have the value minus 1 by 4 as the answer. For such videos, you can subscribe to this channel and thank you.